With an all-new design and the new Supercharged M2 chip, the new MacBook Air is sure to blow your mind. Hi, I'm Ella Strong and I'm part of the engineering team here at CompNow. I'm so excited for this new MacBook Air. With up to 18 hours battery life, it makes it ideal for the workplace or classroom. Whilst its big, beautiful liquid retina display is paired with the best camera and audio, making it ideal for hybrid working. Coming in at only 1.25 kilograms and only 1.13 centimeters thin, while being tough and rigid, that's a real engineering feat. A quick run around of the ports. First, MagSafe, giving you ultra fast charging. We also have 2 Thunderbolt ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack. If you're looking to upgrade from an older Intel MacBook, you can expect to see up to 15 times more power in graphics-intensive programs from the M2 MacBook. If you were to ask me, it's a bit of a no-brainer. When it comes to deploying Mac to your organisation, CompNow are the best in the business. If you'd like to know more, please get in touch with your CompNow account manager or email us at info@compnow.com.au.